The Coach Emmy Saddle Bag 23 is a chic and functional accessory crafted from high-quality leather. Its compact size makes it perfect for everyday use, with enough space to carry your essentials without being bulky. The Coach Emmy Saddle Bag 23 features a flap closure with a magnetic snap, an adjustable crossbody strap, and an interior slip pocket for organization. Reviews Coach Emmy bag often praise its durability, elegant design, and versatility. Many users appreciate timeless style that complements various outfits, whether casual or formal. As for colors, the Coach Emmy Saddle Bag 23 comes in a range of options, including classic black, white, yellow, green. The price Coach Emmy Saddle Bag 23 may vary depending on factors like material, color, and any additional detailing. Typically, it ranges from $200 to $400, but it's always a good idea to check the Coach website or authorized retailers for the most accurate pricing information. A little bag that's kind of a big deal. Our Emmy is a modern, equestrian-inspired saddle bag. The compact, go-everywhere style is crafted of buttery, soft, gloved and leather detailed with our durable, tonal matte PVD-coated hardware, featuring pockets inside and out for easy organization. It's finished with 2 detachable straps to wear as a snug short shoulder bag or a hands-free crossbody. Wear it your way.